yogurt every day for 7 days, and this happens to your body. The world of healthy eating can be extremely confusing, but there are also a handful of truths that nearly every expert can agree on. And one of those few universal truths is that a simple food like yogurt has insane amounts of benefits that you'd think this food cannot be real. Well, whoever came up with yogurt, a huge thanks to you. Yogurt is actually a storied and ancient food, dating back to the reigns of Genghis Khan. Forward to the 20th century, and researchers found out that the bacteria in yogurt are linked with better health and longevity. A great source of protein, probiotics, and calcium, eating yogurt for 7 days straight can already do so many positive effects on your body. To know about these benefits, keep on watching. Number 1, helps control appetite. If you're one of those people who's prone to hunger, then yogurt might just help you curb that big appetite. Eating yogurt, specifically Greek yogurt, for snacks can make you feel more satisfied. That's because it's loaded with protein, and protein keeps you satiated for longer periods. Number 2, helps fight infection. Probiotic yogurt contains good bacteria that are associated with better immunity. Some studies also suggested that regular consumption of probiotic-rich foods can reduce the risk of infection. To experience this benefit, look for a yogurt that has live active cultures, since not all yogurts contain probiotics. Number 3, can protect you against osteoporosis. Yogurt carries some key nutrients to maintain bone health, such as protein, calcium, and phosphorus. All these vitamins and minerals are especially beneficial at preventing the weakening of the bones. Also, having at least 3 daily servings of dairy foods can help preserve bone mass and strength. Number 4, regulates blood pressure levels. Hypertension can result in various health issues such as dementia, heart attack, and aneurysm. As such, it's essential for you to regularly measure your blood pressure. Fortunately, by regularly eating yogurt, you can strengthen your defense against hypertension. Thanks to the potassium found in yogurt, it can help you stabilize your blood pressure. Number 5, gives you loads of vitamins. Did you know that 1 serving of yogurt already contains a significant amount of zinc, vitamin B5, potassium, iodine, and phosphorus, and riboflavin? It also contains B12 that can maintain red blood cells and keep your nervous system functioning smoothly. Specifically for vegetarians, eating more yogurt can help their bodies make up for some of the vitamins that can mostly be found in animal products. Number 6, promotes faster workout recovery. Do you have a daily exercise routine? A cup of yogurt a day can speed up muscle repairs. Greek yogurt is best for a post-exercise snack. It has amino acids that aid in muscle repair. To further boost the benefits of your Greek yogurt, eat it alongside a bottle of water. The protein in yogurt can boost the body's ability to absorb water, thus improving hydration. Are you now convinced with the tremendous powers of yogurt? Let us know about your experience after 7 days of eating yogurt. Just drop your comments below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.